All right, here we go. 5.9 versus a 7.3 cold start, probably 10 degrees out. Hit it. Well, the 5.9 started in half a second. 7.3 still going. Oh, there she is. There she is. Alright, I think the 5.9 wins. Good fun. Oh, and the 7.3 doesn't even want to stay running really. Alright, now she's idling alright. Have a good day. Just to add her, the 7.3's got 141,000 on it. Not much for an 05, whatever it is. The 7.3 has 144,000 on it. Sorry, the 5.9 has 144,000 on it. Yeah, super rad. Awesome old truck. Alright, so there you have it. 5.9 wins. Cold morning start in Idaho.